Hi kids, welcome to my channel. Learn with me ABC alphabet train. A for apple. Say A for apple. B for ball. Say B for ball. C for cat. Say C for cat. D for duck. Say D for duck. E for elephant. Say E for elephant. F for fish. Say F for fish. Z for giraffe. Say Z for giraffe. H for hat. Say H for hat. I for import. Say I for import. J for joker. Say J for joker. K for kite. Say K for kite. L for large. Say L for large. M for mango. Say M for mango. N for notebook. Say N for notebook. O for owl. Say O for owl. P for pig. Say P for pig. Q for question. Say Q for question. R for rat. Say R for rat. S for swan. Say S for swan. T for top. Say T for top. U for umbrella. Say U for umbrella. V for vase. Say V for vase. W for winter. Say W for winter. X for Xmas tree. Say X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Say Y for yak. Z for zebra. Say Z for zebra.